Hello everybody, John Wendell with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm in Prosper, Texas today at Grand Homes Model in the Lakes at Legacy. And I got a surprise for you. This absolutely is going to be a stunning model that I want to show you today. Has a little over 4,000 square feet, and it's called the Grand White All Model. And so you really got to check out this whole neighborhood on here because it's really still growing. They have some homes that are coming up. This model is right across from the pool, and it's just it's going to be very impressive when you see this thing today. So if this is the first time to come to my channel and you want to subscribe, I would love it, and you'll be able to see all the new video home tours I'm putting out each week. Also tap the bell so you're notified when I put out a new model. And as we go through the tour, if you like it, please click the like button and show some love. So let's go in, let's check this out. I think you're going to really love this house. You are going to love this home. Absolutely stunning. It's like where to look first. Check this out. This is beautiful. Look at this staircase. Floating staircase up to upstairs. We won't get there yet. I'm just going to pan the ceiling. Got a couple light bulbs out, but not to worry about this at all because you're going to love the rest of it. Turn back to the front door. Got fluid floors. This is going to be the dining room. They have it kind of into an office library right now since it is the model. TV area in there we'll go into in a minute. And let me pan up here and just show you. Here's the entrance right here. Woodwork everywhere. Soaring ceilings. Open all the way through. So let's just walk in here. It's the main interior area for the house. Check out those windows. Doors slide all the way open. We're facing south, so the house, we're facing right now is north, and front of the house is facing south. Is this beautiful or what? Open cathedral ceilings, those beams. Check out these countertops. Grand Homes puts out such a beautiful product. If you're interested, this model, when they sell it, should be priced right around $1.6 million. Again, it's about 4,000 square feet. Six burner stove. Look at that tile going all the way up. Stainless steel KitchenAid hood. Beautiful. Ran those hardwoods all the way in here. There's your microwave. Look how huge this island is. Is that crazy? Lighting. Here's your eat-in breakfast area in the kitchen. That comfortably seats 8 people. Who wouldn't want to eat in here and not in the other one? Especially when you got that pool right outside the windows here. Pan around. If you love to entertain, you will absolutely love this house. You could be upstairs, downstairs, and still be in the action. Is that beautiful? Check out the ceiling. Pan back right here. I mean, everywhere you look in this house, it's just the detail after detail. It shows so well. So right back here, we're going to go back to the master. And check this out. Look at that wall. Lighting in the wall. Is that crazy? swear that's bigger than a king. It's almost like it's a California king. But got a little bench seating right here. Down lighting, great for breeding, hanging out. Got cans, 6 cans in the ceiling. Oh, with that beautiful chandelier. And if you haven't noticed already, you got a see-through fireplace. Beautiful barn door right here. Yeah, is that great? Check out these slabs. They are huge. So we got double vanity. What I like about that, I am guessing this is the guys right here. Mirrors all the way up to the ceiling. Cans, plenty of lighting. This one has a makeup counter. Plenty of counter space. They knew what they were doing on here. I hate when they jam it all in, especially on houses that are over $1 million. Sink. There's that other side of the fireplace. You can see the chandelier over this beautiful tub. Look at this. Look at the finish on here. I want to get close to this tile. Look at this inlay. It's like a chrome inlay. That same tile that's on the floor is going all the way up. Great window. You can meet your neighbors while you're bathing. Always a fun time. Could you relax in this? Close those doors, put some music on. Whole house is wired for sound. And let's not forget this big old shower. Tile all the way up. And we have a mirrored door on the potty room. And here's the closet right here. French doors on the closet. They ran that same tile all the way in. One rack all the way around. Coming around, coming around, coming around. Back on here. I'm at the other end of the closet. And then back out into the bath. Very, very pretty. Very well done. Alright, let's go check this out. So this is one of 2 bedrooms that are downstairs. I never get tired of that view. And right back over here, you have the full bath, which is also used for the guests when they come and visit. Has a tub. Great mother-in-law bath. Mirror all the way up to the ceiling. Big old vanity. Pretty tile choice. And let's pan back out and go into the second bedroom that is here downstairs. Plenty of windows. Yeah, this fixed up as an office right now. Really good size. Look how many. I mean, you got a desk. You have 3, 4, 5 chairs in here. Lamp. Windows on both sides. So these windows will be. This is facing south. I just kind of want to show you again. This model is right across from the community pool and the lake. Again, this is Lake at Legacy. So in Prosper, they still have homes available. It's 2 home builders that are building out here, Shattuck and Grand. And they both put out such an awesome product. Isn't that gorgeous? And then we go over here. So you have another entertaining area downstairs. Get done with the ceiling. Carried it in here. You got people watching the game, and you have people that are over here doing something totally different. this. Is that crazy? Let's head on upstairs because you're going to love this up here too. More entertaining area. So we head up the stairs here. Right at the top of the stairs, you have a pool table room with a long old bench up here. Let me just pan over here so we can see the view. So you're up here, you're entertaining, and look at this. Everywhere you go, open, open. This looks like you got a sky bridge right there leading to a couple bedrooms. Nice light fixture. Vaulted ceiling. Who could live here? Again, if this is the first time you've come to my channel, please subscribe so you can see all the new home tour videos I'm putting out. And if you're loving this, click that like button so I know, and ring that bell if you are interested in being notified of some more homes as they come up. So this is one of the bedrooms up here, one of 3. Beautiful light fixture. What kid is not going to hang on that? So we have carpet up here in this one. Got some superheroes in here. One of them looks like he can't breathe, so he's about to pass out. We have the closet. Has a window in here, so you know what you're picking out for school that day. And let me pan back out. This is the window in this room right here. This kid gets to look at the pool. Heading back into the game room, and I'm turning here now because you're going to love this. We have a full bath in here. With a tub, beautiful tile work, and we have that pool table room right behind us. Well, look what we got in here. Right over the garages, you have another game room area. Got a ping pong table set up in here. This could be your media. Has a bunch of windows on here, so trying to figure out how to hang a big TV in here might be your biggest decision on this house. Again, this house is about $1.6 million when they finally decide to put it up. But look at this room right here. Is that great? Little seating area there. You have windows on 3 sides of this room. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. So you can have morning sun, afternoon sun, and again, it's big enough for a ping pong table. Coming at it, coming at it, coming at it, coming at it. And let's head on back over to the sky bridge. Go over to the other side. Look at this pan here. Got a little gallery wall here. A little bit of landing here. And we're going to the bedroom right here. Same carpet as the other one. And I gotta just show you the detail. I love decorators and they do such a great job. So we have a dresser here, big wall, closet here, but I just want to pan up here and just show you this piece that they did up here. Does that look fantastic? That's wallpaper. But it has such a 3D effect on it that it really just comes at you and you have to look really close at it to make sure that it is wallpaper. Ah, it's awesome. Got a window here, window there, window here. Oh, what girl would not like this bedroom right here? And I can transition to a guy's bedroom. Easy enough. I don't think he's going to want that wallpaper. We got the closet. And there's the dresser. And that's the door to the bathroom right here. But I'll go around to the other one on here, but it's not just... That's crazy. And we're going back out into the hall. And here's the bathroom right here. Another great choice on tile. They made these light fixtures a little more classy in this one right here. Big mirror all the way up to the ceiling. Single sink, huge vanity with a lot of storage area. Again, tile all the way around. And another tub. A 3D effect on this tile. And there's a window there. And last but not least, I do want to show this view one more time. That is just beautiful. And when I come to these models and they're done right, you just don't want to leave. You want to just kind of cut a check and say, hey, I found my new house out here. And there's carpet there. All of these bedrooms upstairs have some really high ceilings, so even though the rooms are not monstrous, they have such good volume just because the ceiling height is taken up. Another light fixture is really pretty. Look at this wallpaper they put up. Really good size. You can see the space that they have on each one of these sides of the bed. Your nightstands. We have 2 doors for the closet in this room right here. And back out to here. Alright, let's head on outside real quick, finish up the tour. Beautiful brick porch that they put down. Right up for a TV. High ceilings. Could put a fan out there too if you'd wanted to. Nice covered porch. Wide enough for great entertaining. Got 2 sides to it. And beautiful pool. Check this out. You still got grass for your dog. Maybe a trampoline over there. A little grass area so you're not missing out on it. Spa. A water feature. Got your fire pit over here. Just a really nice, entertaining house. Check this out. You think you could live here? Well, if you're interested, I do sell homes. I'm John Wendell with Keller Williams Realty, and my contact information is below. And again, please subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and if you like this video, just click that like. And if you have any comments, have any questions, let me know. I work all Collin County, and today again we are in Prosper, Texas. This is the back of the property right here where there's going to be a couple houses. That is it. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to you seeing my next video that I put out.